Exposing the secrets to getting rich in 2024. Let's dive right in. First up, digital products. Ebooks, online courses, and printables. They're low cost to create and can be sold over and over again. Next, freelance services. Are you good at writing, graphic design, or social media? There are tons of companies looking for talent just like yours. Don't forget about investing. Think stocks, real estate, or even crypto. Do your homework, start small, and watch your money grow. Side hustles like drop shipping and affiliate marketing are also hot right now. With a bit of research and some dedication, you could be making money while you sleep. Finally, consider leveraging social media. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram can turn your passions into profits. Share what you love and build your brand. Remember, the key to getting rich in 2024 is diversifying your income streams. Start with one, master it, then move on to the next. You've got this. Ready to make some money? Hit that like button and subscribe for more tips.